Hi, welcome to this Chapter 13 snippet. We're going to learn how to calculate cash dividends, how much it's going to be, and the 3 dates that are important and how to do those journal entries in this one. So here's our situation. We have authorized stock of 2 million, issued stock of 1,250,000 shares, and outstanding stock of 1 million shares. Our cash dividend is 50 cents per share. What we're looking for is how much cash dividends are we paying out, and what are the journal entries, and what are the 3 dates we need to be concerned about, okay? So let's first figure out what we need to do to calculate our total cash dividends. Which one of these stock amounts do we multiply this 50 cent per share stock on? The authorized, issued, or outstanding? So remember, the authorized is the total amount of stock we could ever issue at any given point for the company. So we don't want to do that because we may have some stocks we have not issued yet. Issued stock is stock that we've issued at any given point, but it also includes treasury stock. And we don't pay dividends on any of our treasury stock. So the last one is outstanding stock, and that's the stock we're gonna use to calculate our cash dividends. And the reason for that is because we don't pay dividends to ourselves if we own the stock. So it's only to people who are outstanding that own the stock that is not the company. Sorry, I'm stumbling on myself today. So we're going to take that 50 cents and we're going to multiply by that. Looks like we're going to have a $500,000 liability for this cash dividends. So on the date of declaration, and let's say that it is June 6th, we are going to have our first journal entry as a debit of retained earnings. Okay, let's do debit, credit. So our first one here is going to be for the $500,000, and our next journal entry is the credit, and it's going to be to dividends payable. Could be cash dividends payable. You know, I mean, there's a whole myriad of different things you could call it. It's no big deal. The book may want to call it something specific. Whatever the book says it is, just do that, and that's fine. So that's our date of declaration. Remember, the date of record is whoever owns the stock on that date is going to be the one that gets the payment. We don't have any journal entry, so we're going to put no entry here. No entry for us. It's just an admin date. That's all we need to worry about. So date of payment is what we need to worry about next. And let's say the date of payment is July 9th. What we're going to do is we're going to get rid of the liability, and we're going to credit cash because we're actually paying it out. So I've set this model up. If you've watched me how I've done this model, I've set it up so whatever we do here, if we can change the cash dividends, we could change anything we want based on this. So let's say our outstanding stock was 750,000. It's going to change everything for us. Let's say instead of 50 cents, it was 75 cents per share. We can play with this all we want. It's not going to change our journal entries. So this model is a good model to use if you want to, and that's what we're going to do with our stock. I keep saying stock, and I mean cash dividends in this one. I'll get into stock dividends later. Anyway, if you have any questions, again, let me know, and good luck, and we'll see you in another video.